At the end of the chain of causes, we need to find a first cause, and we call that God. Actually, there's a pretty simple answer to this, and it leads us to an interesting point. For example, if something exists solely as a cause, then in that case, there is no echo of it that we can know. In other words, something that is only a cause cannot be known. Therefore, if God is only the first cause, in this case, we see that we cannot know that God exists, or even if God does exist, we cannot know it. But that's not the case. Because saying God is the first cause actually comes from giving up at some point.
The part we say is unknowable about God is only related to His essence, His nature, not His existence. Both atheists and Muslims say that God is unknowable. But when a Muslim says God is unknowable, they only mean that God's nature is unknowable. They are referring to the unknowability of His essence. They are not referring to the unknowability of His attributes. The Muslim says that God's attributes can be known, but His nature cannot be known. So what does the atheist or agnostic say? God is unknowable. No, that's not the case.